at 3. 1, 2. Now guys, the big moment. I'm gonna fire it up. What do you think? Will it run? Or will it explode? Or make a violent rattle? It is a second-hand engine, but I mounted everything. I checked it, I double checked it, I triple checked it. I also attached it on the Motorscan app, put it on ignition, and then I looked at the fault codes. There were a few, but those were when the old engine was still in. So I wiped them, got it off contact, put it on contact again, looked if there was any fault code left. Nothing. So I'm curious. And actually a bit nervous. Yeah, that's the right word, nervous. But guys, we're gonna fire it up. What do you think? Do you think it runs? It's totally cold. Let's do it. Gonna open my shed. Wait a minute, where I got my keys? Over here. Now, I'm gonna put you outside. Oh, by the way, I charged the battery. Suppose the battery is flat, but you try to start it and it says bull, bull, click, click, click. But let's see, guys. I'm curious. I'm actually I'm nervous also. So something like this. Well, will it run? Keys were still inside. Yes. Camera in a better position. So hopefully it's not leaking oil or coolant. What do you think? Well, let's do it. At 3. 1, 2, 3. The next thing we're gonna do is hook it up to the motor scan app, and we're gonna see if it collects any faults. I don't think so. The dash didn't give a fault, something blinking or what, so, but you never know. Here I got the motor scan. Then put it on ignition. Open a motor scan app. It's the S series and the K74. And the first thing I'm curious is the engine electronics. First doing a check. Interface present. Okay. Then we do it again. Engine electronics. Read out the fault, the memory fault codes. No trouble codes found. Yes. Delete fault memory, live actuators, adaptions. There we go. The instrument cluster. Read out fault codes. No fault codes. Then, well, let's do the ABS. Read out fault memory. No trouble code found. So we shut down the motor scan app. Up. I'm very happy with it. Really. It runs smooth. No fault codes. Old mechanic did well. Let's see if the engine is dry, no leaking. Good plan. Okay. This. Let's see, guys. Look in there. Don't see any leaks. No. I used a bit of, see? Oh, oops. A bit of liquid gasket for this one. This one is also nicely, oh, it's on my nail. This one is dry. This one, let's feel it. Yes. Also, now, everything looks perfect. Da 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 da. So this nice, very nice. Then we go to the other side. See, still have to mount the front sprocket and new bolts. See, this still are the old bolts. I have Torx. Okay, everything is nicely dry. Yep. Oil cooler. Oil is nice on level. That's good. Well, I'm happy with it. That was my video. How to start up the new engine. I hope you liked it. And if you do, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it, guys. Cost nothing. And give me your high points. That's also very important. And for now, it's already not late, but calling it a day. I think that's what you say. For now, Old Mechanic out.